this cast iron bench and that cast iron bench. Yeah, that's what's going on here. I'll show y'all the before and after. I tell y'all, it's always something that go wrong. Something little, something big. Lord have mercy. What we gonna do with them? Move the nest? Y'all, I'm telling you, these smell so good. Babe, our old home is coming along. Our old fixer-upper.
Yeah!
Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chawnta and this is Tutt Tip. So today I'm so excited because I have my first coupon code for y'all. I can't wait to show y'all what it's for. And it's a good one, y'all. It's not a 5%. It's not a 10%. It's not a 15%. It's a 25% off discount code for my tippies. If you don't know, that's what I call my subscribers. So let's get started with these home updates, and hopefully this new product that I got from my home is something you'll want for your home, and you'll be able to use this discount code. Enjoy this home updates video. So for my first home update, I wanted to show y'all these. And it's these candles from 7 and 6. Especially because I have a coupon code for y'all. They specialize in handcrafted candles and body care. So these are the 3 candles I got from them. I got the Moon Nectar. I've been getting a lot of compliments of this. I just recently had a graduation party for my oldest son throughout the whole weekend. Having guests here at my home, I got a lot of compliments of this. But right now, this pineapple sage is my favorite, y'all. And I love that it comes with these stones and crystals inside the candle. She actually dressed this for me in person. Just to name a couple, this pineapple sage has the aquamarine and clear quartz stones inside the candle. So I love the fact that once the candle burns out, I can then have me some stones to add to my collection. A couple of the herbs used in the pineapple sage candle are rosemary and mint. It's made out of 100% soy wax, y'all. It doesn't burn as quickly as other candles I've tried. And the aroma, y'all, the scent, it lasts a very long time. Now, the other candle I have not tried this one yet. It's the Tantric massage candle. You're supposed to let these burn for up to 10 to 15 minutes. Then pour them gently over your skin, massage, and enjoy. Y'all go check them out on Facebook, Instagram, and check out their website. Let me know if you do try them and what you thought about the products. Y'all, I'm telling you, these smell so good. Oh, and I do want to add, if you want to know more about the company before purchasing their products, they're live on Facebook pretty often. Now let's move on to the other updates that I've recently done to my old home, y'all. Y'all, it's raining, but we can't wait to bring it inside, so we're bringing it in. Finally got the other side of the wardrobe, enough of it done to put it up in the room, bring it in the house. Be careful! Watch your step! Got a little wet, just a little drips, couple of little drips.
Hold on. I had to move my fingers. My fingers was in there. Well, that thing is, look at
it's close. It is close. Thank goodness. home update. Home update. We found this cute hose. Y'all know this is my color. So, found this at Aces. Got one for the front, got one for the back. Now we've had these a few months. This thing had gotten very, very, very disgusting and dirty because we've had it for at least a year. So it's been sitting out here through the weather and all that. So we took the SOS pad. My oldest Chawnta Tutt came out here and scrubbed it clean for me. And today we picked this up from Lowe's. So we don't have to worry about that issue no more. So we're going to hook this up. And then we don't have to have this eyesore, which is not a huge eyesore. But now we don't have to have that sitting right here. And what's that bucket over there? That's something Daddy had, huh? Might as well just throw that rag away and empty it out. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and put this together. Getting the house together. Y'all, look at this. Look at our grill. We need a new grill. And we need a new grill. Lord have mercy. And look at the grill cover. What is really going on? Y'all can tell we ain't been paying attention to outside. We got a lot of projects, y'all. Don't judge. Got a lot of projects going on. But anyway, so we need to throw that in the trash, of course. That's garbage. And get a new grill. All our energy been to inside and stuff like that. But we're getting it together. We're trying to show each part of the house a little love.
Hey, there's some bird eggs over here in this nest on the grill. Come check it out.
Lord have mercy. Oh my goodness. Here, you record it. What are the eggs? Oh, hold on. I got to get up in there. Oh. Lord have mercy. What we gonna do with them? Move the nest? How many? 3? They done got some foil and everything up in there. Where the hell they get foil? Oh, something just bit me. So I'm gonna have to put some bug spray on.
Yeah. Hey y'all, the old grill cover had a hole in it. Like it had a big slit in it, like right here. So the birds done got in there now. Done got a new grill cover. We was throwing the old one away, and look what we found.
What we gonna do with this thing?
I'm just gonna set it over. Yeah,
set it over the fence.
In the tree, I guess.
Yeah. Oh, you setting it in our tree? Oh Lord. Somewhere else. I guess we're gonna have to journal this.
Yep.
Keep an eye out on it and let everybody know what happened. Alright y'all, so this is my project I'm working on. Pay no mind, we just cleaned the cushions out here. But this is the project I'm about to tackle. I had 4 colors to choose from. And this is the one I chose. Right here. So we cleaned it up. My son scrubbed it down and got all the rust off of it. So this was originally white before the first paint job. So I'm burning up already outside. So I'm gonna take this in the room that's under construction right now and paint in there. And I'm already ready for a break. Oh yeah, I'm putting right on in here in the air conditioner.
There you go.
Get some light going on.
You got it, player.
And I guess for the cast iron benches, let's show them the cast iron benches real quick. Because I got to paint that today too, y'all. Ooh, I can't wait to get all this stuff done. Oh, we can show them that, babe. That's the project King Tut working on over there, y'all. Check it out. We're about to have some new shelves in there. They're going to be floating shelves. We're going to paint them white. It's going to be 2 of them. So y'all stay tuned for that. I don't know if that's going to make this home updates video or not. But y'all, it's going to be so here. We're getting it together, y'all. Okay. Oh, hell, I forgot this chair. I got to paint this dang chair. Try to get it all done today. This cast iron bench and that cast iron bench. Yeah, that's what's going on here. I'll show y'all the before and after. We do have to repair the bench over there, but I'm going to go ahead and paint. I ain't waiting on the wood to be fixed. So that's that, y'all. I'm about to get to work. Alright, y'all. So I got this outdoor paint I'm using this time. The color of the paint, the name of the paint is blue turquoise. The paint I used last time was those Rust-Oleum. I think I'm saying that right. Rust-Oleum. And it was the spray can. And that just didn't have longevity. So I decided to use outdoor paint. And look, y'all, did y'all know they had these? We seen them when they was mixing our paint at Lowe's. Use this to open up the paint can. It's so easy. So we went ahead and scooped one of those up. Let me show y'all. So first I'm going to shake up the paint can real good. Show y'all how this thing works, how easy it is. Look at that. This is the first time I'm opening this, y'all. Look how easy that was. This is the color. This color better look right. Because in here, it's looking a little funny. It's looking a little funny. I gotta make sure I don't get this hair in the paint. Probably should just go tie my hair up. This look a little too blue in here. Y'all, please be right. Look at that. Babe, this is not right. You see it?
The other ones don't look like that when you put it on.
No.
Yeah, that's more of a sky blue.
Yeah. It's not. Oh my goodness. I probably have to go back, or should I just, I can use the interior paint that we have in this color. That's the right color, but that's going to defeat the purpose of the longevity thing.
Yeah. Take it back.
Just take it back tomorrow, or you want to take it back today?
Nah, I don't want to take it back today. It means I'm going to fuck around, get out there in that heat again, and I come back, I'm going to be tired, and I ain't going to want to.
I'm about to take a break and eat. I'm done. This is just ridiculous. This is ridiculous. It took me a lot to get in here. Y'all, I was set. I hope y'all can see me. I was set to paint the bathroom door today, this, the chair, both benches. Did I name everything? I think that's everything. So I had all this stuff to paint today. Now, I don't know. I'm about to work on my next YouTube video and record King Tut doing his little projects. He got some, well, they're not really small projects. The porch lights, that's small.
That's done.
Oh, look, he already done. Okay. But the shelves, you gonna work on the shelves today?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get y'all some footage of him putting up these dang shelves. I tell y'all, it's always something that go wrong. Something little, something big. Alright, y'all, let me show y'all what the paint was supposed to look like. This is the interior version of the paint. So this is the color it's supposed to be. Right there. And this is what he gave us. So on to the next project. Well, I'm about to take a break. Y'all look, that ain't nowhere near close. He done just gave us blue. And you know the sheen, if you get it like in matte or satin sheen or whatever finish you get it in, can change the color up a little bit, but it wouldn't change it up this drastically, y'all. Like, no. It's just may look a little shinier. The tint may be just a touch different. Oh, Terrence in there working.